This is for DC Circuits, Lab 1. So I'm powering this thing is a 9-volt battery, which is then going into our power bank. That's how I'm calling it. Which is then connected to this red jumper cable that is connected from the red hot on the left side to the row 10 pin. And so why does this work? Why does pressing the first button give you light, the second button brighter, and third button even brighter? Why? Well, be answered fairly easily. So our red jumper cable, 10 pins, is our first button. And it shows us a lot. The output for this first button goes to 2 resistors. And I have to use 2 because in the diagram it shows a 600 volt or 600 ohms. And I don't have that. I have 320s. So I have to use 2 320s to make a 660. So I get a similar vibe to it, you know? And so these 2 resistors are in series, are then connected to this white wire right here, straight to the LED. And so we get 660 ohms worth of resistance from 5 volts. But then why does the second one get brighter? Well, that's also kind of easy. Because I have this blue jumper wire right here that's connected to the input of the second button. And it's not working right now because the first button isn't pushed. So, in the diagram that they gave us, we have the second button going through another 2 320s, which is going to be this guy right here, and then is connected to this other blue jumper cable, which is on the output of this third button, going to this resistor right here. And so that's why it gets brighter. The third button, if I have enough fingers, gets brighter because I have this yellow jumper cable right here from the output of this first button, and so it doesn't get constant power, to the input of this third button. This third button then goes to this output right here of this third resistor, so it skips the first resistor of the second button and goes straight to just this 320 resistor. Therefore, only have 330 ohms worth of resistance going to this third one. So more electricity can pass through to create a brighter light. I then have this green wire just so I have some type of grounding. So that's the reason. Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, last thing, resistance. I made a table, kinda. And it shows the resistance of each one. So button 1 we have 656.1. Button 2 is 659.8. Button 3 is 328.9. The actual is 655.2, 659.0, and 328.1. And then this is the diagram I went off of.